What is up, everybody? Welcome back to RC's Gateway to Comics. Today, we are going to be talking about when you should start writing your story. And this one is a pretty simple one. You should start writing your story whenever you feel like it is a good place to start it. Whenever I was starting to write the Red Sky series, I was actually in the middle of writing a completely different story. It was a trilogy, actually, and I was halfway through it, and I was not feeling it. So, whenever I was just sitting around and just doing nothing because I was stuck in a rut and was deciding that the story was pretty much unfit to continue, I started writing A Red Sky is Upon Us. Because for the longest time, I have had a fascination with pirates. This could be for any number of reasons. And I wanted to write a pirate story. So I was sitting in a cabin on vacation, and I was just like, you know what? I'm going to start writing that pirate story. So I started writing it out, did the first couple chapters, and realized that I needed to come up with actual character descriptions for these characters, because I had just started writing away and I was not stopping. So I had to go back, come up with all of the character descriptions, pardon me, and make sure that all that stuff was consistent. All of that's taken care of in rough drafts and stuff like that. But it's a learning experience, but also a way of showing you that if you want to start writing a story, there's nothing stopping you from just starting to write it. I'm actually working on the 6th book in the Red Sky series currently, and I did the exact same thing. I just started writing, and I had realized I had to go back and write down these character descriptions, because there were times whenever I'd have to go back several pages and say, what color hair does this one character have? Or what kind of personality do they have? But having that drive to want to start writing is what you need to grab hold of and hold on to. It doesn't matter if you don't have character descriptions or if you don't have any definite plot outline. If you start, then you're going to keep building that drive in you to continue. You can always add stuff as you're going on. Lord knows that I've done that multiple times. But the key is to start. Because if I was still working on that as of yet and will always be unpublished first book that I was writing, then I wouldn't have gotten 5 books in the Red Sky series published. It's a universe that I love with all of my being, and I'm extremely proud of it. And it's my way of diving into the world of pirates and magic and romance and action and adventure. And if I hadn't just started writing that when I did, then I probably wouldn't have had the drive to do it, because I would have been stuck in a trilogy of books that wouldn't have gone anywhere. So the best thing that I can say for all of you guys out there is, if you have an idea that really sticks out in your head, that you really want to do, that's your passion project, work on it. You don't have to wait until you have everything planned out. You don't have to wait until you have the characters all micromanaged down to what type of fingernail nail color polish they have, whatever the heck they have, or what their eye colors are. Just start writing whenever you want. If you want to have all of that stuff already figured out, go right ahead. Write whenever you feel like you are ready to start. Whenever you have that drive in you to want to see all this stuff on paper, to be able to read it right in front of you, start. Because if you don't, then you're not going to have that same drive. What are you guys' thoughts on when you should start to write? I want to hear that down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, or if you have similar experiences, please leave a like on this video, and if you would also subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to get more eyes on comics, keep showing you guys tutorials on how to write, and also just any other lessons that may be useful to you guys. The more people that we have subscribed to the channel, the more people are going to be able to see these hopefully valuable lessons. Thank you guys all for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out.